do you think, Steve?
Dude, it's freaking middle of the week or something like that.
Short week.
Busting out some frames, man.
Well, guys, it is Tuesday, the 31st of May, 2022, the last day of May. Getting stuff ready. You guys already saw Steve was welding up some frames. Ben's running a little late to work today. See when he shows up, but we got a lot of stuff to do, a lot of frame manufacturing going on today. It's gonna be a great week. And don't forget, the giveaway is going on. If you want to win your very own custom TGV mini trike, guys, go to the website, pick up a piece of merch. Every piece of merch is worth 10 entries to get entered into the giveaway. TGVshop.com, go check it out. Someone left the coffee pot on again.
I thought something was, life is good.
It's a freaking haircut.
It's a fresh haircut Monday, boy. Woo!
Yeah, I figured this is clean up the sides, business in the front,
Oh yeah.
party in the back.
Man. Really? Better Tractor Supply. Jeez. The heck? I said that, I was telling Russ earlier that I said those crappy tires never thought in a million years they'd be mounted to a bad Van K wheel. So apparently when you try to stretch lawn and garden tires, something just doesn't jive. I don't know, they just keep going flat. Filled that up this morning and it's already... It actually doesn't look bad.
How's the dentist, man?
Sweet. Good to go.
I thought you were gonna give me a... Still waiting for it.
I'm not giving you one. One thing I can tell you is Kurt, he's ready to roll. Yeah. But yeah, so hashtag or no. I'm really beeping one off back there.
Where you going today?
Snickers. Snickers. I won't be a real showman like Dave. Oh, you've been asking for it. Here you go. Mini FMF silencer.
That's awesome. Wow, you can see right through it. What are you putting that on? Man, that thing's huge.
Well, Donald said he needs duals.
Oh, yeah.
But figured that would cheese you off.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I'm gonna crack a cold electric monkey here. Ooh, man, that's crisp. Steve was talking about putting a potato in here and making a potato. So the first time I ever used this, about busted my teeth out. Through that handle, this thing kicked back like a shot. You ready? So one of these.
Man, you just keep pulling a bunch of stuff. I thought that was another silencer.
Oh, man. What's up, dude?
Oh, you know, I'm kind of thirsty. I always need an electric monkey.
Top secret stuff here, too.
Oh. Why don't you show me your new tape measure holster, Ben?
Got this new tape measure holster. Magnetic. Pretty pumped. Really pumped. Put this little thing on here. Now I got a magnetic freaking marker holder too. And I can see when Steve's gonna steal my Sharpie ink saw, because I got the big bling on mine. That's all.
Are those the berries?
I think they're out of stock on the berry, that coveted sugar-free berry.
Oh.
Come on, man.
But
God. 15 more minutes, he's gonna edit that out.
or use it as I go.
Jesus, scared me.
What's going on there, guys?
Oh, it's gotta be TGV Russ. Yeah, you really did startle me there.
Well, you know,
How's it going?
you're a big funny guy on those jokes, so.
You should just blast me with the air horn as soon as I walk in.
Oh, shut up.
All right, guys, so it is the next day. It is June 1st of 2022. It is Wednesday. There's a lot of stuff going on. There's a lot of parts being made. We got the Shocker Yellow that's gonna be going on with the giveaway. We're super pumped to get this thing rolling so we can show you guys exactly what you're gonna be getting if you're the lucky one that wins the giveaway bike. So here's the frame here. We are going with Shocker Yellow. This stuff is gonna look amazing. We have some ideas in our head what it's gonna turn out like. Powder coating is gonna be going on here soon, maybe today, we'll see. But super excited for this, guys. Love that color. It's gonna be a really cool build.
Things are just looking up.
Things are looking up all around here, man.
Oh, I don't even think Steve knows about the Electric Monkey Minis.
Ooh, I could go for one. Yeah, coffee. Steve, you got the AC on today.
What's that?
You got the air conditioning on.
That wasn't me.
What are you doing?
Working, man.
Working.
Building frames.
Need one.
Oh,
This is how Chase feels when he holds a regular
That's a
can
normal.
up.
That's a normal size can. Oh, I thought you were gonna shock.
good stuff.
You need one, Steve. I thought you were just gonna chug the whole thing.
Yeah.
What the heck is that? Are you like a pirate? Here, put that back up to your eye. Show the people what I just saw.
I'm checking my coolant. Wait till this is your thumbnail. That's not looking good. Man, you gotta have an allergy pill, man.
Have the epi on standby. Oh, they are tiny.
You think this little thing's gonna do anything?
Next shot's me in the hospital. Oh, it's Claritin. I can't take that.
Why?
That's literally the exact stuff I had an allergic reaction to.
You'll be fine. But what's worse, having hives or sneezing and coughing all day? You don't even know how many hives kill people. Beehives.
There's second one. What'd you see in your little telescope there?
Kaleidoscope. Just told me we need to add a little more coolant.
Getting things done here. What's today?
What's that on your wrist?
Oh, that's just Homer Simpson barbecue in
Oh man, that's sweet.
there. Wacky Watch Wednesday.
Wonder if the other guys wear their wacky
Let's
watches.
see. We got Benji a little
Ooh.
parts here. So
Let's go see what the boys are up to. Got the air conditioner on today.
See that? They really making double time, double watches there.
Oh yeah.
What? Buy, sell.
in the factory box. So I said the next person that pops up that orders a merch, I'm gonna box this up and send it to them. Okay, folks, so this person, their initials are DS, actually from Pennsylvania, and your zip code is 18360. Congratulations, you just supported us, and we're gonna support you with a really sweet vintage Simpsons watch. Worn by TGV Dave, and it'll come in the original box with the original wrapper.
Wow.
All accessories.
What are
free
those
of
going
charge.
for on eBay?
Oh, that's probably a $100 piece all day long, twice on Sunday. Thank you for supporting us. Back at you, buddy.
Cruising through these, which is sweet. These are the bottom cross piece that goes up right up by the footrest in between.
Oh, okay.
Just out here bending these tubes.
What are you listening to?
Nothing.
Really?
Not on. Oh, magnetic tape measure holder. Change your life.
Even on the gym shorts.
Oh, so versatile, man.
You better watch you don't get stuck to that,
Yeah, I've noticed
That
that.
thing.
You know, once you don't like go up against metal chips or like
your leg gets sucked into something.
the price you pay whenever you have the convenience of always having that tape measure on you.
It's that time of the day again. Thanks, Steve. Little ice cream sandwich.
Little sandwich, little trike.
There's so much electric monkey drinking that's been going on in these videos. These little shooters.
You'd be like, is that all you guys do is just build frames and drink electric monkey? Yes. Get a splash guard on that.
Woo! If this video, it looks like we've drank 50 of those.
I have. I had a couple this morning. That's why I was looking at the limit.
Small,
I would say
they don't even count.
I would say I'm on like my fourth.
Mr. Monkey did text me and say shirts and hats are going to be in the mail. So
I wonder if he saw the video.
I sent it to him. I'm on texting terms with him, so I sent it to him.